Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can download and install Logitech C270 HD webcam driver. Simply go to your browser and search Logitech support. From the search results, go to this first web page. Now head over to support. At the bottom you will see the download option, click here. Now in the search box, type with your model number. In my case it's C270 and select the model from the search results. Now click on downloads from here. Select the operating system and you will get the download option of the driver. Save the driver. Now run the file as administrator to begin the installation process. Accept the license agreement and click on install. That's it. Now you can head over to device manager and see if the driver is successfully installed or not. Once done, you can open the camera settings. And that's it. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.